Most realtors disappear the second you close. I do the opposite. The real work actually starts after you get the keys. If you're buying or selling a home, this is something that you really need to know. I actually was thinking of this topic last night. I was talking to my daughter, and she moved out of state, and they're thinking of putting gutters on their homes because where they moved to, it's not common to have gutters in your home, which is kind of mind-blowing to a lot of us. But you know, she was going to get on Google and start trying to find reviews and do all the, Facebook posts in the community, who knows who that does this. And I told her, I said, why don't you reach out to your real estate agent? They are the knowledge for that area. They know who works good, who to stay away from. Like, they are the ones getting the report and doing the vetting for these people. So reach out to them. So it's really kind of what I wanted to talk about on today's video. And that is, we are the source for everything. And not every agent offers this, but I have a list of contractors that I work with, and I've already vetted these people. I know I don't refer anybody that I wouldn't use myself. So I know that these people do good work. But I also know people that do pretty shoddy work, because just because you can swing a hammer does not mean that you're talented in that area. It seems like a lot of people on Facebook today are all of a sudden carpenters. So, you really want to be cautious of who you use. And whether that means you need someone for your HVAC, maybe it's acting up. You moved to a piece of property that needs to be cleared. You have a home that we knew was going to need some work, so it's kind of a fixer-upper. You need somebody to replace windows, and an electrician, and a flooring person, and maybe a landscaper to mow your lawn. All of those things I have vetted for my clients and have a working relationship with people, so that I am the one-stop shop for you. So when you're going to look for an agent, you want to look for an agent that is across the board, before, during, and after, going to work for you. Before, obviously is prepping and getting you ready for either the buy or the sell process and just kind of educating on you. During is obviously selling your home or buying a home. But once the paycheck hits, a lot of agents go by the wayside. That's where I'm different, and I love staying in communication with my clients, especially if they get fixer-uppers. Some people decorate really cool, and I'm like, oh, I can't wait to see what you do to this house. But the renovations are exciting to me, and I love that follow-up from my clients. So, if you are in the position that you've recently purchased a house, maybe you're out of the area, maybe it's the same area, but this is a whole new realm for you. You have bought a house, and maybe it's your first house, maybe it's not, but maybe you've never needed a plumber before. Maybe you've never had to replace an HVAC system before. All of that is foreign to a lot of us. I mean, if I need something, I'm going to call somebody else because, that's not my area of expertise. So it's very, very important to make sure that you're working with someone that can provide it across the board, even after closing, and get you to people that have already been vetted, that are insured, and that are good, solid contractors. So hopefully this helped you a little bit. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, because we do post weekly on this channel. Any comments that you have, something you'd like me to shoot a video topic on, drop that message to me. And I hope that you share this with someone in your friends or family network that can use it.